Been friends for I guess about 8 years, and have been for the last certifications and sleeping together. And when I found something that I thought was real, I wanted to share it.
मैं बता रही कि 2.5 साल से इनसे दोस्ती, और जब मैंने ये देखा कि एक चीज़ जो आपकी तालीमात और आपकी शख्सियत और ये हक़ है, तो मैंने बस यही चाहा कि जो कुछ मुझे मिला है तो मिल जाए।
इनका मज़हब है इन्हीं की तरह है।
Just I'll ask you, do you have a religion? Do you follow a religion?
No.
Yourself? Speak freely.
No
with that.
particular religion, just spiritually minded.
And yourself?
I don't call myself a Christian, but I affiliate with the Christian teaching.
तो इनका कोई मज़हब नहीं है, तो ये रूहानियत की तलाश में, और उनका भी कहती है ख़ास कोई मज़हब तो नहीं है, लेकिन ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम की जो तालीमात हैं, जो क्रिश्चियन मज़हब है, उससे कुछ लगा हुआ।
कुछ अल्लाह के नबी है ना, उन्होंने एक जमात बनाई है, उस जमात में अगर कुछ अल्लाह ने कानून किताबें भेजी हैं, तो जिन लोगों ने कानून पे चले उस नबी की जमात में गए ना, तो मज़हब कहलाता है।
When God sent the prophets, for example, He sent one prophet, then He sent a book with that prophet. People gathered around that particular prophet, and that was known as religion. People who followed the book, follow the prophet.
फिर वो जो उस जमात में लोग गए ना, उसका फिर नबी है ना, क़यामत के दिन वो जिम्मेदार होता है।
Those people that followed that scripture that was revealed to that prophet, on the day of judgment, that prophet whom the people follow will be responsible for those people.
फिर उसकी जमात में जो ज़्यादा उस किताब पे अमल करता है ना, उसका उतना ही दर्जा होता है ना आगे इसका।
And amongst those people that followed the scriptures, the ones that followed it most, adhered to it the most, followed it vehemently, so to speak, they were progressed equally, and they would have obtained a similar spiritual growth.
तो जो किसी मज़हब में भी नहीं होता ना, उसका तो कोई ज़िम्मेदार नहीं है।
Those people that do not belong to any religion, they do not have anybody responsible for that.
उसके
You will explain.
फिर जो दूसरा तरीका है ना, ये तो जन्नत वालों का तरीका है ना, मज़हब। दूसरा तरीका है ना, जो अल्लाह वालों,
That is one path, the path of the religions, that takes you to paradise. And there is another way. That way is the way of the path of the people of God, the friends of God, the saints, the holy people.
वो जो रास्ता है ना, वो यहाँ दिल से चलता है।
That other path starts from the heart, spiritualism.
ये रास्ता अल्लाह तक पहुँचाता है।
This path then takes you towards where God is.
कनेक्शन अल्लाह से कनेक्शन होता है।
This connects you with God, the heart.
अगर ना ही मज़हब है, तो ना ही अल्लाह है, तो फिर एक हैवान है।
And if you do not possess a religion and you do not find God, it's just like being an animal.
क्योंकि हैवान का भी ना मज़हब है ना उसका अल्लाह।
Because an animal does not have God and it does not have a religion.
जिसका हर मज़हब नहीं है, वो अपनी मर्जी से जो हरकतें चाहे करता है।
A person who does not have any religion, then he can do whatever acts and deeds he likes, it doesn't matter.
इसलिए बच्चों के बहुत से लोग हैं ना, वो मज़हबों से बेजार हैं, उनको मज़हबों में सच्चाई नज़र नहीं आती।
Now there are many people who are basically fed up of religions because they cannot find the truth in any one religion.
मुस्लिम का मज़हब है, वो कहते हैं कि जितना भी फ्रॉड है इस मुस्लिम में है, तो हम कैसे यकीन करें कि इसका मज़हब सच्चा है।
Now, looking at the Muslims, some people when they consider the Muslim faith or the actions of the Muslims, they say that's full of fraud. Look at the Muslims how they behave. So this can't be the truthful religion.
वो मुस्लिम से मुतमिन हुए तो फिर उसकी किताब तक पहुँचे।
Because if those people who looked at Islam, if they were convinced by the actions of the Muslims, then they would go forth and look at the book.
इसी तरह बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि कच्ची मज़हब है, इसमें बेहयाई बहुत है।
In a similar way, some other objective people look at the Christian faith, and what does not attract them to the faith is that they said there's so much freeness, there's so much liberty. You could drink and you could engage in whatever sort of unlawful activity. There's too much freedom.
वो उनसे मुतमिन नहीं होते ना, मुतमिन हो तो वो उनकी किताब पढ़े ना.
Therefore, they're not convinced by the actions of some of the Christians. So therefore, they do not go on to look at the scriptures.
फिर वो कहते हैं ना कि ये मज़ वाले जो हम हरकतें करते हैं कल्बों में, डांसों में, जो हम करते हैं वो यही करते हैं, इनमें हम में क्या फ़र्क है.
Then some of these neutral people who look at the religion, who want religion, they say, all these things that I do, and I have no religion, all these things people do who belong to religion. The Christians, the Muslims, when I can go to a disco, I can drink, I can do this and do that. And all these people who say I follow religion, they're doing the same thing. So why go to this religion?
जब मज़ वाले से मिलते हैं ना तो मज़ वाले कहते हैं कि हमारे अंदर खुदा है.
And then when they go to these religious people, they say that I have God inside me.
फिर वो कहते हैं अगर तुम्हारे अंदर खुदा है, इन हरकतें करने से फिर हमारे अंदर भी खुदा है.
And the reply comes from those other people that if you claim that God is inside you and you can get away with so much, and I do exactly the same thing, then God must be inside me as well.
इस वजह से वो मुतमिन नहीं हो पा रहे हैं मज़हब से.
This is why a lot of people are not satisfied with religions.
लेकिन अल्लाह तो एक है ना.
Because God is only one.
तो ज़रूरी है कि चलो पहले अल्लाह भी पा लेना. जब उससे कनेक्शन हो जाए ना तो फिर वो खुद बहुत किसी सच्चे मज़हब में भेज देगा.
As an alternative to religion, what can we do? The best thing to do is to find a connection with God, to make that connection, and to find His guidance and light, and then let Him guide us directly into any religion should we wish to do that afterwards.
ये ज़्यादा बेहतर है.
This is best now.
पूछे बात.
Shah, would you like to ask any question regarding spiritualism, regarding God, love, religion, or anything? Please relax and feel free to ask any question. Okay, no problem. Whenever anything comes into your mind, you can just say.
मज़हब इस्लाम में शराब पीना मना है.
In the religion of Islam, it's forbidden to take, drink, intoxicants.
एक आदमी हजूर पाक के ज़माने में उसको लेके आए, इसने शराब पी, आपने बोला उसको कोड़े मारो.
Just I'll give an example of the time of the Prophet Muhammad. One person used to drink, and he was brought before the Prophet Muhammad, and it was ordained that he should be whipped according to the law.
दोबारा फिर ले आए, फिर दोबारा आपने कहा उसको कोड़े मारो.
He was brought before the Prophet a second time, accused of the same crime. It was again ordained that he should be whipped.
वो तीसरी दफ़ा फिर ले आए, फिर लोगों ने कहा इसके ऊपर लानत है कि बार बार इसी जुर्म में आ जाता है.
Again a third time, he was accused of the same crime, and he was brought before the Prophet, and it was ordained that he should be whipped. And then the people said he should be cursed, and they said all sorts of good and bad things about him, because he's being brought before the Prophet for the same crime time and time again.
उस वक्त हजूर ने कहा इसके पे लानत न भेजो, ये अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करता है.
Then the Prophet Muhammad at that moment said, in reply to the accusations and the curse of the people, that do not curse him, because he has the love of God inside his heart.
और जो लोग अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करते हैं वो दोज़ख में नहीं जाते.
Because those people that have the love of God inside their hearts, they will not go to hell.
वो भले बेमज़हब हों या शराबी हों या गुनहगार हों, अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करने वाले हों.
Even though they drink and commit misdeeds and do, even if they have no religion, even if they have no religion, they drink and do all sorts of things, if they have the love of God inside their hearts, they cannot go to hell.
तो अब इन लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है ना कि उनके दिलों में अल्लाह की मोहब्बत आए.
So now it is important for you people that you have the love of God in your hearts. You know how this is created and formed.
तो वो तब आएगी ना जब हर वक्त या तो अल्लाह को देखें, अल्लाह को देख नहीं सकते हैं तो अल्लाह अल्लाह करें 24 घंटे.
There are two ways of getting the love of God, of finding the love of God. A, that you first see God. Once you've seen Him, you will love Him. But we have not seen Him yet. We are unable to do so. The other way is to find a way in which we can commemorate His name, through which the chanting we can find His love. And that Shah Sahib will teach us how it is done with the heartbeat, when that converts into the remembrance of God.
जब दिल की धड़कनों के साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएंगे तो अल्लाह की मोहब्बत आएगी.
When our heartbeat is converted into chanting the name of God instead of simply saying tick tick